Hi student, today we solve one multiple choice questions in vector algebra. This is one very simple problem, and problem is a bar and b bar are unit vector if the vector c bar is equals to a bar plus 2b bar and d bar is equals to 5a bar minus 4b bar are perpendicular, then angle between a bar and b bar is option A pi by 3, option B pi by 4, option C pi by 6 and option D pi by 2. So here we find here the angle between a bar and b bar. So suppose here we assume that let theta be the angle between a bar and b bar. Then we find theta is equals to what? So we assume that here let theta be the angle between a bar and b bar. Then to find here theta is equals to what? And it is given that a bar and b bar are unit vector. Therefore, by definitions of unit vector, magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar is equals to 1. Next, again it is given that c bar and d bar are perpendicular to each other. Next, it is given that since c bar perpendicular to d bar, therefore here by property of dot product, c bar dot d bar is equals to 0. But c bar is equals to a bar plus 2b bar. So we write here c bar is equals to a bar plus 2b bar, a bar plus 2b bar dot d bar is equals to 5 a bar minus 4 b bar is equals to 0 by using the definitions of the dot product. Then we solve this dot product. So here a bar dot 5 a bar minus 4 b bar plus 2 b bar dot 5 a bar minus 4 b bar is equals to 0. 5 constant a bar dot a bar minus 4 a bar dot b bar, 2 into 5, so right here plus 10 b bar dot a bar, 2 into minus 4 minus 8, here write b bar dot b bar is equals to 0. Therefore here 5 a bar dot a bar magnitude of a bar square minus 4 a dot b bar plus 10 b dot a bar, by using the property of dot product a bar dot b bar is equals to b bar dot a bar. So we write here minus 4 plus 10 6 a bar dot b bar minus 8 magnitude of b bar square equals to 0. But here a bar and b bar are unit vector, therefore their magnitude is 1. So here 5 into 1, 5 minus 8 into 1 minus 8, 5 minus 8, so we write here minus 3. Then here plus 6, by using the definitions of the dot product, magnitude of a bar into magnitude of b bar into cosine of angle between them cos theta is equals to 0. Then again here magnitude of a bar and magnitude of b bar, that is both are unit vector, therefore their magnitude is 1. So minus 3 plus 6, the 1 into cos theta, so right here cos theta is equals to 0. Therefore 6 cos theta is equals to 3. Therefore cos theta is equals to 3 by 6. So right here 1 by 2. And here cos theta is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore theta is equals to cos inverse 1 by 2. And cos inverse 1 by 2, that is pi by 3. Cos 60 is equals to 1 by 2. Cos 60 is equals to 1 by 2, that is pi by 3. So pi by 3 is the correct option here. So this is the correct option. Pi by 3 is the correct option. So this is one simple problem on vector algebra. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, अशा प्रकारे आपण JEE मध्ये म्हणा, MST CET मध्ये म्हणा, किंवा आता बोर्डाची परीक्षा आहे त्याच्यामध्ये सुद्धा तुम्हाला MCQ विचारले जातात. त्यामध्ये शॉर्टकट्स मेथडनी आपण थोडंसं स्टडी आता मला हे तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन करून दाखवायचं आहे म्हणून थोडंसं मी डिटेल्समध्ये घेतो, नाही तर याहीपेक्षा शॉर्टकट मेथडनी याला आपल्याला सॉल्व करता येते. पण आपल्या बेसिक आयडिया ज्या व्हेक्टरच्या वरच्या आहेत त्या क्लिअर असल्या पाहिजे तरच हे आपल्याला सॉल्व करता येईल. तर ठीक आहे, नंतर आपण पुढचं प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करू.